Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about string constant pool. Um, this is how it looks like when we create any string with literal. It goes that way. So it is referred in stack memory. The variable is here, and that variable refers that constant pool created here. What if I create a new variable, like it's a name? Um, let's say I'm going to create, let's say handle name. So that's a new variable, right? Handle name. So what happens now? How Java handles this kind of scenario when we have two different variables contains the same name? Nothing new. It just create a variable in that stack memory, and that stack will again refer to the same constant pool. Yep, it won't create a new. It figured out that there is this thing, so it won't create a new string. It will refer the same because this both variable are having the same reference. So that's how it optimizes the memory. Okay, what happens if we have, let's copy this screen. Okay, copy it, going to next paint. Okay, so what if we have objects, right? We can have object as well, like this way. We can create string with objects like this. So copy it and paste it. So now we are creating string with new keyword, and that is actually object. So it won't create that in string constant pool. So in somewhere in the heap memory, of course outside of constant pool, but inside heap memory, it creates that string. This thing goes there in heap memory here. So that goes here in the heap memory. That's a different space, and that will be referred by this variable yt handle dot this. So this time we create a string, but using object, it goes inside heap memory, but outside of string constant pool. And that's how you can understand when we use string literal, it actually optimizes the memory. That's how JVM optimizes memory. We will discuss about this all optimization and memory storage, but for now I just want to give you an idea how things happens when you create some variables inside a space. So when you are using this kind of scenario, we have heap memory and stack memory. In next class or next video, we will see how to actually see the difference. If we are creating any string literal, will that be different from the object or area which is created by this string class? So that's for next video. Thanks for watching this. Let's bye bye.